CU978 is an 18-ton class R3 8NHP steam traction engine, completed on May 8, 1920 for the showman, John Murphy of County Durham. It was used to crane cars off John Murphy's Peacock Scenic Ride and often had her fire kept lit constantly as she was needed for erecting, dismantling, and generating for the ride. In 1941, used for timber loading in Cumbria, after the war she stood derelict until 1952. In 1979, it passed to its current owners, Howard Brothers of Derbyshire.